What's up, people? This is Reese Wagner. Thank you for tuning in. Today is a special day, like yesterday and the day before, but this is pretty sweet. Just yesterday, I went to an awesome place with some awesome people, and they gave me a drone. This is a DJI Phantom 2. So I figured out that it actually didn't work. It had this error code where the lights would actually just flash red. Sorry, I don't have a clip of that because I've already fixed it, but here's how to fix that problem. So I have my Phantom, I have my controller. Normally when you turn it on, turn that on, it would go through initialization and then it would just stay red. It means error, not able to fly. To fix that, we gotta look, it's apparently a battery issue, and what I found is when you open the battery, there we go, there's these little prongs in here. I noticed they were dirty. Those are the ones that send all the battery information to the drone, so that must be what the problem is. So I went and I looked at it, and it was quite dirty. So I went ahead and got a tack, and I just scraped on those little bits. Not hard at all, just very gently. Right there. I just went and I scraped on it. Just gentle, not too hard, it'll go through that little metal bit. And then I went and I plugged it back in my drone. Powered the controller up. Click once, click and hold. And now it's flashing yellow. So I hold these two together. Oh wait, make sure both switches are up, or else it won't arm right. Now, when I hold these two in, it arms. Make sure you have props off when you do this. Now I have a working drone. Thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments below if this helped you, if you have an old drone like this. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.